Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily turn autoplay on or off in the Spotify app on your mobile device. This simple setting helps you control whether Spotify automatically plays music after your current playlist or song ends. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, find and tap on the playback option. Now, look for the autoplay toggle. Finally, you can switch autoplay on or off depending on your preference. And that's how you control autoplay in Spotify on your phone. Adjust this setting anytime to customize your listening experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.